Alright, so a little bonus round here. This is essentially where my miter saw is going to go. It's going to go down so that it's level. So it's actually 3 3/4, but you take off a little piece of this. It's about 3 1/2, what you would expect bouncing against a 4x4. But the table saw goes over here. And so it's a 29" wide is what I need because everything else will go to the right. So that puts it right here. And if we take my miter slots right here, going right down, and then I got a miter slot right here going all the way down. So if I take this, now this isn't perfect here. Of course I drop it. I'm not a professional. And so if I take my miter slot, the leftmost here, give or take, I'm not putting a T-square up here, anything like that, but if we set that up, I can move it back just a little bit, because what I'm worried about is, will this go up again? If my table saw is here now, I can roll my table saw down, the blade, but this is my cut line here. So if we just gently come down here just a little bit, that's where my cut line is. It's far away from the miter saw, so I can go back a little bit. What am I so worried about? Not much, but I'm just worried about the tail end of this over here. When I fold it down, it should go right over here as a diagonal cut, and of course it'll be a little lower, so it should be okay. But I'm not going to be using this to make cabinet furniture. If I'm going to do that, if I'm going to rip up some plywood, I'll use my track saw. Quite honestly, I'll just attach it over there and use my track saw to do that. I mean, I'm basically cutting out small parts, maybe some 2x4s, things like that, but essentially small parts. And so that's the plan. If you find any flaw in that, let me know ASAP, because I'm hoping to figure all this stuff out sometime this week. I have all the hardware and things ready to go. I'm just still putting in some support pieces, like there won't be anything here, but kind of work in the middle there, trying to figure out over on the router table if I need some supports coming up here. I probably do. So I'll just put a few more of those up and then we'll be done with the frame. And then we can start thinking about how to put this together, the top as well. And then one thing I like about the miter saw being here with the desk port there, and then my table saw will have a desk port here, is I can maybe put some sort of a central, like I was saying before, I might want to put my dust extractor right in here, or I could tuck it in there somehow. I don't want to put it under there because then this thing is going to fold and kind of crush that. So it's probably going to go in the back here, and it'd be great.